Two Tiles Kennels. Me Miss Hustle. What's up, man? I'm gonna show y'all this chain setup. This chain setup. Chain setup again. I'm gonna rake all this up. I got a whole bunch of these poles sticking out my yard, so this one really come in handy when I come to making a chain setup. I think all y'all niggas, every dog man should have one of these. All the hooks and all the swivels and everything else. And but I'm dealing with a puppy right now, so yeah. I already know what I'm gonna use. Whatever this called, so use one of these. I'm gonna use two quick link and a hook. Go ahead and show you how to do this right here. Take it in the chain. It's just for a puppy now. It's not for a bigger dog. A bigger dog, you might want to get some hooks, chain that can hold heavy stuff. This is just for a puppy. All right, first, I'm gonna take this hook, run through the chain, get it probably as close as you can. All right, she not pulling that up, and even then, she not. If she jumps, it's still gonna do that, and I doubt she would even do that. But even if she get it up here, it's not coming out. Come on, it's not coming out. Yeah, take it in the chain, quick link. Put it on whatever this is right here. I keep pliers, so I can tighten this however tight I want. Some putting these on bigger dogs, they might untwist. So you might want to put some super glue or something on there. This is just for my puppy right now. Usually she'll be in a kennel or cage, but now I've taken out a little bit on the chain for a little while. That's it. Oh, what's up, girl? That's it. Ain't nothing too heavy. Oh, ain't nothing too heavy. Something she can move around, she can jump around on. Just gotta be on the chain while she can. What's up, mama? What's up, mama? What's up, girl? Shout out to my homeboy Antonio. I got this bitch off him. What's up, girl? What's up, girl? Come on, mama. They coming in there. They coming in there. Nice little bitch. What's up, yellow man? What's up, son? That's it. That's the chain setup for the puppies. I'll do a chain setup video on bigger dogs if y'all want me to do that.